This is second grade Go Math lesson 4.11, and today we're going to use algebra, find sums for three add-ins. And the directions just simply say add. Now it doesn't really tell you anything else, but I'm just going to show you the way I prefer to do it when I do it, just to make sure I don't make mistakes. I have 3 plus 0 plus 5 here. Actually, the whole problem is 23 plus 20 plus 25. But I'm going to start with the ones column first. Usually I do this, and I'm just going to do it for demonstration. If you have a 0 here, obviously this number's not going to change, but I usually just add two numbers together in this column, preferably the top two, and I'll show you another way in a moment. I have 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. If it helps you maybe to cross these numbers out after you've done that, do that to help you add. Whatever makes it work for you best. And that's really the great thing about math, is you could do it multiple different ways to make it work for you. So here's another problem. On the first one, I just brought these two numbers together. You can continue to do that, 5 plus 2, and make this 7. Or sometimes it's easier to group these as 10 if you can. So I see 8 and 2, and I know those facts add together to make 10. And if you can make 10 with these digits, these numbers over here, it makes it a lot easier to add the second number. So that helps you cross it out. There you go. 10 plus 5 is 15. So now I have 5 ones, and I have to move that 10 over here. Again, I have 15, so I have 5 ones, and the 10 goes with the 10s from 15. So now I have 4 digits over here, so I definitely want to group these together. So I have 2 right there. I have 2 plus 3. That makes 5. Cross these out. So if I add 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, I have 75. I want to show you one more. Looking for a good one over here. Maybe something that's a little bit different. Alright, let's look at number 5. If I have 31 plus 45 plus 24. If I add the 1 and a 5, that makes 6. 6 plus 4 makes 10. So that means there's 0 ones, and I need to move 1 10 over here. Now if I add 3 plus 1, that makes 4. If I add 4 plus 2, this is going to make 6. Oh, now what are we going to do here? Now I have another 10 in front of me. How am I going to make that work? Well, I'm simply going to write the number 10. There's going to be 0 tens, and now I got a new group, hundreds. So I have 3 digits in this, because 31 plus 45 plus 24 equals 100.